Hell no, you better not. God damn. Pull over. You see that big ass dip hole right there?
I missed it. I swerved it. G Swervo. They don't call me G Swervo for no reason.
I ain't even drove it for real yet.
Oh, pipe down.
Pipe down my ass. I'm gonna pipe up. What? Nigga, the fuck?
What?
Fuck you run over that thing like that for?
Just hit a body.
Hell, no damn body. Shit, tell my you fuck up my damn rim and shit.
Are they okay?
Hell, boy.
Are you guys okay?
Boy, shit, come on.
Are you guys okay?
Why the damn music ain't on? Hell. It's look down. Why are you driving like that?
Like what?
Hell. Like a bat out of hell? That's how you driving. And we ain't even on the street.
I'm auditioning for Fast and
Okay,
Furious.
auditioning my ass. You know what?
Why would I do that? Like, what?
We going that way, so you gotta get over.
Auditioning your what?
Auditioning hell. Don't be practicing in my shit.
No, this is the audition right here.
How is it a fucking...
See how I just drifted? See how I just drifted?
Hell no. Hell
See how I
no.
just drifted down? Yeah. Which way do I go? This way?
You know which damn way to go. Keep on. I'm gonna drift my foot in your ass. Hell. What's hot? Oh, shit.
You tired?
I am. My head hurt. I'm hungry. Boy.
You know you need to come give me that.
Hell. You ain't even gotta drive for real.
You just being dramatic.
Hell. No.
You
just drive. No. Hell no.
Mom.
You just don't mom me.
Back and
Hell,
relax.
I'm trying.
Sit back and relax.
Hell, I'm trying. Shit. You won't let me. Hell, you driving all crazy and shit. Tear my shit up if you want to. God damn it. Hell, just because you got it for me don't mean you can tear my shit up. Hell, what the fuck wrong with you?
But since I got it for you, that means I can...
No, bullshit.
That means I can ruin
you. A damn lie. You a damn lie. You gonna buy me a motherfucking another one. Shit.
I don't know why you feel like that.
Hell, I ain't even drove it for real yet.
Oh, pipe down.
Pipe down my ass. I'm gonna pipe up.
What? Mama, stop saying stuff like that, bro. Stop.
Shit.
Like, a pipe can fit down there? That's crazy. Boy, let me find out you be doing stuff.
Boy, shut your ass up. You know these motherfuckers drive crazy, and I already got fucking anxiety from these bitches. Pretend. Watch that damn cop. It's hot. It's 1,000 damn degrees. Oh my God.
Now look. Look at me. I learned that trick on GTA.
What trick? Open your damn eyes, nigga. Hell. What the fuck wrong with you?
Jesus is taking the wheel.
Okay, Jesus, take the wheel. Okay. You gonna pull over. God damn it.
No.
Pull your ass. Pull this shit over.
No.
I drive. Tired and all, I will drive.
Mama, I got this.
No, you don't.
You know I got the wheel.
No, you don't.
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Yeah, how the hell you gonna close your damn eyes I'm not playing with you.
I'm driving regular.
No, you ain't.
I'm driving regular.
This how you drive?
This is how I be driving on GTA 5. This is how I be driving.
This is not GTA.
Come on.
This is Texas, damn it. Yeah. Shit.
You know what you sound like, man?
I don't give a damn.
This is Sparta! Damn.
Shit. I don't know what the hell you talking about. Shit, it's hot. And you bullshit.
This is Sparta! This is...
Cortez.
This is Texas!
Pay damn attention. You see they breaking.
This is Texas!
And our exit coming up and you way the fuck over here.
I bet y'all be way on the F over there on our exit though. Hey, let's go! We're about to win this race! We're about to win this race! You hit me while I'm driving. I'm a really...
Yeah, that shit. You know what? Boy, you with your man, Lord Jesus. They keep trying to kill me, y'all.
Mama, I'm not trying to... No. I need you here forever.
Well, goddamn, because you're going to make me have a heart attack.
No, you're not.
The way you motherfucker drive.
Don't say
shit.
that.
Well, quit.
Don't say that.
Hell. Shit. That's why I can't even take a damn nap.
Don't say that.
Shit.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. Oh, you're tired for real?
I am. I told you I'm tired. I went to work. I did the goddamn stop.
Mama, that's your wheel.
You hit the ain't
that's
my
your
goddamn
wheel.
wheel.
I found a setting on here that has autopilot. You wanna see?
No. Hell no. You better not let the damn thing go.
No, it has autopilot.
No, it don't. Damn it don't. Goddamn. Mama, what's that? Pay a damn attention.
Mama,
damn it.
it has autopilot.
It don't got no.
Yes,
Okay, yeah, you the autopilot. Like control the goddamn wheel. Shit, the fuck? Ain't no goddamn. I ain't never heard no what is it?
Autopilot.
Autopilot.
On the Teslas and G-Wagons.
This ain't no goddamn Tesla and G-Wagon.
I bought you a G. Yes, it is.
This is not a this is not the car I
Yes,
asked
it
for.
is.
Tesla or G-Wagon.
Yes, it is.
It's not. Yeah, my damn heads. Oh,
I'm about to miss the exit. I'm about to miss the exit.
God damn it. I'm not playing with you.
Mama.
I should go get my back crack over there. I ain't got my thing though, my key card.
Well, you don't have to go there.
The joint down is already paid for.
No, you don't have to go there though. So we're gonna crack the foot. We're gonna crack the foot.
God damn it. I'm gonna crack that. How about that? Hell. A fucker.
Mom.
Did that hurt? Let me see. Let me see.
If I got a Tom and Jerry knot on my head when I look into this.
Let me see. Let me see.
Like, mama.
God damn it.
I don't know.
Driving my shit. You know, I told your ass, pull over long damn time ago. Pull this bitch over.
I'm not pulling over.
Pull over so I can bullshit.
I am ranked 5 stars in GTA 5.
God damn it, this ain't GTA. That's a goddamn TV.
I be running from people with those impressors.
Hell, that's a game. That shit ain't real.
This is real life. This is real life.
I know that.
This is real life. And GTA is real life too. All right, Mom, you don't gotta hit me.
Yes, I do. You're making my blood pressure go up,
Mama. It also got a setting on the car to where you can eject the passenger.
Oh, I need to go to the circle.
You ain't go there for real?
I do. God damn it, boy.
What?
You see that big ass dip hole right there?
I missed it. I swerved it. G Swervo. They don't call me G Swervo for no reason.
God damn it, stop. Where my damn stick at?
Oh, you got it?
Hell, you know I do.
No, don't bring that out.
You already know. I
Don't
keep
bring that
it.
out.
I got them everywhere, cause y'all ass shit.
What if I run into the gas thing?
And we gonna blow the fuck up.
We finna blow up.
Oh shit!
We
Don't be.
finna blow up.
Yeah, not that blow up. Go up there. I don't get no gas. I need me some shit. Yes. Hey, you gonna buy
Let me
my
give-
beer too?
How much is it?
Like, I don't
You need
know.
to stop drinking beer.
I don't drink it like I used to. Damn it. Shit.
That's your favorite cuss word.
Hell.
Bro, she really hit me. Like, I think it's a bruise on my... Bro, I'm breaking out or something, because that's how... I really don't even know why I be doing these pranks. I just feel sticky. It's so hot out here in Texas. Knowing she gonna get mad. And then I kind of feel bad because she's talking about her head and stuff hurting. She haven't ate nothing. But she trying to go get a beer, though.
I don't think they gonna like this one, man. Shit. They already know when they hear that motherfucking. Oh, when they hear that.
Snoop Dogg Dre. And I put that on it. Money ain't a thing. You was hate. Yeah, come on, man, let's go. I've been on my. And I got some things on my. Go that way. That way. So we're gonna go that way. Pull over. We just, goddamn it, I knew I should have got in the driver's seat.
My nerve. Why? You fuck up my damn brakes and shit, I'ma beat your ass.
Pump the brakes.
Yeah. Get on my
Mom,
damn
you think I can
nerves.
drive backwards all the way home?
Nope. You better not try neither.
I'm gonna try.
I'm not playing with you. Turn this bitch around and drive regular.
No.
Better pay attention. While you sitting up here bullshitting. Hell. Stop. Don't you better not in that damn truck right there.
Mama, I keep telling you, I'm really Vin Diesel with the wheel.
Okay, Vin Diesel.
Okay, Vin
Well,
Diesel.
why you can't be Vin Diesel with the paycheck?
That last part wasn't needed. That last part wasn't needed.
Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I'm trying to see if it'll work out here. And I know that it's...
Why you can't be Vin Diesel with the paycheck?
And they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
How about that? You want to be Vin Diesel, bring home the paycheck.
That was a good one.
Yeah.
That was a good one. I got it.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna have that Vin Diesel paycheck soon.
Well, hurry up, shit. Hurry up. God damn it, I'm
I
tired.
keep telling you, you can't rush perfection.
I'm tired. I mean, I'm not rushing you, but I'm rushing. You know what I'm saying? Cortez,
What, Mom?
stop. I don't know why I'm holding on to this like I'm goddamn shit. Slow down. Slow fast down. Mama, slow down. Pull over. No, hell no. Pull this bitch over. No. Pull over. Calm down my ass. Hey. Where you on your way to?
I ain't going nowhere. I'm waiting on JC.
He about to give me a goddamn heart attack.
What happened?
Driving like all crazy and shit.
Mama, I can really drive though. You see me drive? You see how I pulled up in here? Didn't I do good? Yeah. Thank you.
Why you go over that thing so damn hard?
Did I just hit a body?
That wasn't no goddamn body.
Y'all okay back there?
Hell, you getting on my goddamn nerves. Matter of fact, pull this bitch over. Pull it over right in the fuck now. Pull it over.
No.
I said stop.
I'm gonna drop mine. Just sit back here and relax.
Hell, you getting on my goddamn nerves. Hell, I done told you. You said what? You said what?
I said I love you.
Damn it. What?
You gonna give me a brain.
Hell, well, yeah. Yeah.
Brain bleed.
You need a damn brain bleed. Get on my damn nerves. Nigga,
What?
why the fuck is you riding over these things? God damn it, pull this bitch over. Pull it over. God damn it now. Right the fuck now. Right the fuck now. Nope. Pull over. Pull over. Pull the fuck over.
Mama, I can
Pull over.
I can drive.
Pull.
I was just
No, fuck that. Pull over. I'm driving my own shit. Drive my own shit. Now get your ass out. Get out. Get out. Get the fuck out. Cause I'm finna drive my own shit.
I always drive with y'all seatbelts on.
Don't get my arm out of there, fucker.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video. Make sure.
God damn it. You think I'm playing with someone?
Alright, mama, it was a joke.
God damn it. The fuck you mean
It was a-
I don't want to hear that shit. Get my goddamn key. God damn it, ain't nobody got time to play with you. Play too damn much. See? You know what? I'm gonna fuck him up, y'all.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the post notification bell so you can get notified for whenever your boy posts another lit banger. And yeah, I love y'all. We out.
You're gonna be a star.